type of bird. See, I got the right amount of seeds in there, but like the guide said the birds come eventually. And wait, where's my other one? Oh look, there's Hannah. What are you doing?
I got a tuba.
What are you gonna do with it?
I know how to play this.
Sure you do.
I do. I'm not joking.
Go. Maestro, go. No sound's coming out.
I know, there must be something in it.
I wouldn't.
Patronize me.
Maybe you should.
Oh, wait, I hear something. Oh! Ah! Did you empty the spit valve? Jesus!
That's from 8th grade too.
How long have you not emptied the spit valve in here?
Well, I only played it for 4 years. Maybe it was 5.
Jesus!
5.
It's a lot.
It looks like he had an accident.
Yeah, I know.
Well, oh look, there's a bird on there now. Let's go look. Oh, he flew away. My bad.